Hello everyone, I'm back again with Sanskriti Kolkata's video number 594th video. Today's video will be on Kashmiri Kanis and Royal Banarasi sarees. We'll show Tussar Banarasis, Rupian Katan and gorgeous Kanis, of course. So I'll start with the Kanis. So the first one is a Jal woven Kani. These are pure Kanis in pure Munga hand woven Kanis. These are all weaving, these are not prints, and there is zari outline in between the weaves, touch of zari, not very shiny. I'll show you the back side so you can understand that these are all weaves. Number one, prices are all mentioned more or less. The Kanis, we've maintained fixed rates for all Kanis except those which comes with just the buta or the ones with the border pallu concept. So this is a dark navy color and comes with this blouse piece. The blouse piece will be buta with the border. So those with the Jal Kanis will have the buta blouse piece with a fine narrow border. So this is the weaving of the blouse piece backside. These are all woven, well cut, and this is the weaving of the Kani Jal weave of the backside. These are all woven ones. I'll show a purple in this. Purple is, before Kani blacks were very much in, now these new shades of purple, then earthy colors, they are also doing equally well. And most of my customers have multiple shades of Kani, including me. Kanis are pure love. So if you want to see variety of Kanis or any other products, you can WhatsApp 760-3042-696 for WhatsApp enquiries, and for video calls we'll give you another number for pictures or video call, whichever you want. You can opt for a time, your suitable time. Our working hours is 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. So in this purple we have many beautiful shades, multiple color shades. There are more than 30 to 40 colors in this one piece sari, and every piece, every time the thread needs to be changed. So it's a very, very beautiful concept of weaving, and so many colors used. This is a black color which I was talking about, all time in black color. Black Kanis, I think by now most of my customers have already bought black, so which is why we've introduced many new shades also. Of course, the black looks definitely very gorgeous, and black is, people love black, everybody loves black, men or women, everybody is in love with black. So obviously black is such a color that all the contrast colors go well with the black, and it's always rich looking. But try out the new shades also. I'll show you some lovely pastel shades which you will love as well. See this, these are the colors I was talking about, the lemon color. What a fresh, soothing color. These Kanis can be worn in summer. The pastel shade ones, they look very pretty in summer. You can wear to weddings in summer, during the summer, and they will look very, very pretty, very pretty. Especially these pastel charts. And just to show your the pallu close up, every video we show details and close up of the video so that you can have a proper view of the total get up of the sari. Everything I try to show in details, and even the close up of every weave, the back side. So itna sara weave hai, dekhiye iska color, it's so gorgeous. ब्राउन शेड्स का ये पूरा इफेक्ट है, इसमें एक अलग चार्म है. These kind of earthy colors in weaves, they are totally a class apart. So I'll show you many color options in this earthy tones. बहुत दिन बाद ये tones आया है restocked होकर. So since the border weaves are slightly different from the previous ones I showed, so I'm showing you once again the new collection of these beautiful Kanis. See this weave. It's not, it's kind of a light butter color, very pretty. Actually, all the shades today in Kani are very fresh shades. और इसका जो जाल है, बूटा है, वीव है, हर एक मोटिव बहुत फाइन वीविंग है. कारीगर इतना सुंदर है इसका वीविंग, बहुत इंट्रिकेट और फाइन वीविंग है. आप हर एक मोटिव को देखिए. एक पत्ता में एक चिनिया पत्ता, मतलब कश्मीर वीव ना, सो ये चिनिया पत्ता बहुत यूज होता है इसमें. चिनार पत्ता, सॉरी, चिनार लीव्स. So these are the more leaves, see the maple leaves, the chinar leaves, so beautiful. एक एक पत्ता में कितना सारा कलर्स है, बहुत खूबसूरत साड़ी है. How do you like this lovely shade of light sky blue color? This is exactly the crayon sky that we see in the camel crayons. वो वाला कलर का सब शेड्स है, बहुत बहुत खूबसूरत शेड है. और ब्लाउज, ये हो गया इसका ब्लाउज. Address of our two branches, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19 is just next to the Citizen Park, and also 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. It's near the railway station. We have the taxi stand, the car park, the auto stand, the tram depot, the bus stand, everything, train station, all very, very close by. It's very convenient. It's on the main road, so you won't have a problem. Any problem in finding, you can WhatsApp the number for Google Map location. This dusty brownish gray color, these are so unique, very, very stunning shades, but very dusty chart. These are English tones, dusty chart, earthy touches, so they are so pretty. See, pure Munga fabric, Munga tussar fabric, pure Mungas. Many of you keep asking me what material. Yes, the semi kanis that we showed, those are on chanderis, but these are not semi, these are pure. Bottle green, अब कुछ दोबारा dark shades में दिखा रहे हैं. Bottle green with bootas. बॉटल ग्रीन विथ बूटा, बॉर्डर नया है, कॉर्नर बूटा भी है इसमें, कोनिया बूटा, वेरी गॉर्जियस रिच पल्लू, एंड लाइक आई सेड, जिसमें बॉडी में बूटा होगा उसका ब्लाउज पीस पूरा रिच जाल होगा. ब्लाउज पीस का फैब्रिक वेस्ट मत कीजिए, ये पूरा वीविंग है, तो आप इसको बोट नेक, क्लोज नेक बहुत अच्छा लगता है. थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग स्लीव्स ऐसे भी बना सकते हो. You can make it as a crop top or as a jacket style blouse also with collar. बहुत smart look देता है. Magenta. We've got a picture from a bride wearing a kani in winter for her reception. She was looking out of the world. Such a beautiful way she has, she's these jewelries, gold jewelries went so well with the magenta kani, and she was wearing a gold veil, and then the whole gorgeous look, it looks so she just kept the jewelry very minimum. Gorgeous sari, gorgeous. Number 10. The black jal. इसका border, see the border, such beautiful motifs, exactly like the shawl weaves we've seen in Kashmiri shawl weaves. This is the blouse piece. And it's all over weave. बहुत gorgeous look आता है. इसमें छोटा मोर, पीकॉक, छोटा छोटा मोटिव्स में इतना माहिन और इतना फाइन वीविंग है ना, आपको मतलब बहुत सुंदर इसका सारा साड़ी आज का कहानी का एक्सक्लूसिव वीव्स है, वीव्स कलर्स. अब I'll tell you about the one that I'm wearing. I'm also wearing a kani, but it's a border pallu concept kani. So all the while I showed buta, I showed jal. So mine is just a border pallu concept with corner buta. So since it's a border pallu concept with corner buta, I have this beautiful option of jal woven blouse piece for you. Color options are available like black, navy, bottle green. This is 17,900. This kani is 17,900 with this blouse piece. The neck piece that I'm wearing comes with this earring. $5,990 is the set. This is the neck piece. $5,990 is the set and the set of 6 bangles. इसमें जो आप इतना सारा bangles देख रहे हैं, पूरा stone setting. $3,990 set of 6. 1, 2, 2 बड़ा है actually. I've worn it. 3 करके आप दोनों हाथ में भी पहन सकते हैं. 3. You can wear it in 2 hands, or you can wear it together, or you can keep 2 big broad ones in the side and the smaller ones. It's a 2, 4, 2, 6. 2 sizes available, 2, 4, 2, 6. $3,990 set of 6. Stone setting bangles. Now I'll show you some Rangkat concept. Tussar Banarasi. But ये जो border है, these are painted borders on the zari. So this is a very very pretty piece. The blouse piece is along with the pallu. So this is the sari. See, we've just draped it for you. Black color. Big bold butas. Blouse piece will be in red with the border. Number 12, and these are pure handloom tussars. Pure handloom tussar Banarasis. Green color in this. Green color with the midnight blue blouse piece. Very very beautiful. Green with midnight blue. Little different kind in tussar. Stripe border. The border will be in Katan satin. The body is in a nice gajri color, or you can see a peach color, dark peach, number 14 with red stripe with zari woven border. Blouse पूरा red में कतान के ऊपर उपाड़ा weave है. Full katan with zari weaving in the blouse piece, matching along with the pallu. Another similar concept is this black tussars Always, you know, not only you have to wait for weddings, this kind of nice narrow sleek border जिसमें जरी येलोइश जरी नहीं है, बहुत सुंदर एक सोबर जरी का वीव है, small buttas and a very traditional combination, and of course the look is also very pretty. You can wear it to some evening formals also. You can wear it with a red blouse, simple red blouse, or a red sleeveless with the border, anything. This is beautiful. The sari itself is very, very pretty. Old is always gold. On high demand, restocked our silver zari tussar meena. These, you know, my staffs keep telling me, ma'am, we don't get to these saris in the store, in the racks. It's always getting sold out in the online sale only, online videos. So this time restocked many colors for you. Number 16, Gajri color silver zari with meena in sea green, mustard and grey. It comes with this blouse piece, handloom sari. The blouse piece will have the border. This is the blouse piece. Very pretty sari, our hot selling item. Tussar in silver zari. Nowadays the brides are also wearing silver for their weddings. Gold to sab pehn chuka hai, pehn liya. Ye sab pastel color saris for weddings are so much in summer. And light colors ek alag look hi dega. Look at this shade. Light shade, earthy shade, but most rich looking and most unique. This is a very light, ash color, silverish ash color with silver border with meena. This is unique, very, very unique combination. And here is the blouse piece. You know what? You can make a blouse piece of this grey color or this sea green color and use the border. This is one of my favorite in this concept sari. But I have more options for you, those who like a little brighter palette. So this is for them. The dusty lavender, again another beautiful shade. What a gorgeous look sari. Number 18. Here is the blouse piece. Please do join us in our Facebook live videos and also check out our reels. बहुत सारा हार्ड वर्क है रील्स के पीछे, क्योंकि हमारा ये सब we don't have any professionals doing it. It's all the whole team helping me out, and I'm posing and all these blah blah blahs. But that's we have to go with the trend, what to do. So watch out and appreciate our reels if you like them, and do subscribe to our channel Sanskriti Kolkata in YouTube as well as Instagram page Sanskriti Kolkata. This is number 18, another stunning new shade with meena, pure tussar, silver zari. This I think is your favorite because everyone seems to be asking for this combination. This very, very light brown color with silver zari in tussar. Somehow this color का बहुत enquiry आता है आप लोगों से. बहुत खूबसूरत color है, no doubt about it. Silver zari. तो आज सिल्वर जरी का एकदम बहुत सारा ऑप्शंस है आज. Number 20. Now I'll show you tussar with a contrast border. Woven tussar with contrast border. Mustard color जो थोड़ा हल्दी टोन के लिए हल्दी टाइप का कलर है। उसमें अपर बॉर्डर इज इन वाइन कलर, द लोअर बॉर्डर इज वाइन बट विथ एन एक्स्ट्रा ग्रीन बॉर्डर, सो दैट्स गिविंग इट अ डिफरेंट लुक टू द साड़ी। छोटा छोटा बूटा है, बूटा जरी में है, बॉर्डर में भी जरी है। ब्लाउज पीस में ये बॉर्डर आएगा। और ये है पल्लू, डबल कलर। नंबर 21, ब्लाउज स्टिच करना हो तो यू कैन कनेक्ट टू द टेलरिंग डिपार्टमेंट आफ्टर पेमेंट। वॉच आउट आवर व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस फॉर नोटिफिकेशंस। द ब्लैक कलर टसर Banarasi with orangish, rustish orange and magenta border. Every sari are hand woven. Okay, let me show you the back side. This is the back side. Check out the buttas. Handloom pure Tussar Banarasi. This is a dark orange color, very pretty vermilion shade, beautiful. Here is the pallu, wine color and sea green, emerald green, जो पान्ना ग्रीन हम बोलते हैं, वही ग्रीन के साथ वाइन कलर। लवली शेड। प्योर कतान सिल्क कॉर्नर बूटा। आई हैड worn a magenta, उसमें 2 ही पीस था, so I couldn't give many. So now we bought a bridal collection of बहुत छोटा माहिन बूटा, उसके साथ ये प्योर जरी का ये बॉर्डर देखिए। This border is so fine जरी, and the fall, see the fall, बहुत random जल्दी प्लीट किया, फिर भी see how beautiful the pleat has come, and this is the see the pleat. Why I keep moving the fabric, you can understand the sheen, the fall, the dual tone. The blouse piece. This is another lovely shade. Very beautiful shade of peach pink jal katan. Peach pink jal katan with this blouse piece. I mean, this is so unique color. Ideal for the brides. You can wear it for a wedding, those who like a little off color other than red and ranis, or for your reception. This is superb shade, absolutely stunning shade. And these are handloom sarees, and gold zari, and we've tried to keep the price very minimum. These are direct from our weavers. Otherwise, you will not get such a beautiful pure katan in jal within 15,000. Katans with borderless gold silver boota, Sona Rupa dual tone katan borderless. Peacock green color. The pallu and the blouse are rich pallu in gold and the blouse small buttas in gold and silver. So little bit more explanation I'll do about the sari. Now see the body butta. इसमें gold और silver थोड़ा बड़ा बड़ा बूटा है क्योंकि इसमें border नहीं है, और ये जो माहीन काम है, ये एक एक मोटिव है, वो बहुत मतलब really to be appreciated. Then comes the achol, where again the work is very fine. This is the back side. You can see how well the weave has been done. No border, it's a dual tone short color. And here comes the blouse piece. The blouse piece comes as big and small Sonarupa buttas. So in this concept, I have another combination of black also. I had personally worn the navy blue color in one of the videos, which has been restocked. I'll show the navy blue also. This is number 27, 12,500 pure katan, gold silver butta, and with this blouse piece. बॉर्डरलेस में बहुत खूबसूरत ये लगता है बॉर्डरलेस साड़ीज, एंड स्पेशली इसका जो गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर बाई कलर जो जरी बूटास है. दिस नेवी ब्लू आई हैड बोर्न अर्लियर, रीस्टॉक्ड. After draping, it will have a very grand look, you know, because ये small बूटा body के साथ जब आप ये छोटा बूटा का blouse पहनोगे ना, तो ये look ही total अलग आएगा. Now, if many people want narrow border कतान, तो ये narrow border भी आपके लिए हम ले आया. ये सब थोड़ा हमारा खुद का loom में ये बुनता है, मतलब we weave it in our own loom by our master weavers guidance. There are many weavers who are working under the master weaver. So this is the, so it takes time because it's all done in my color instructions. So thoda it just हम लोग जाकर, I don't go and just purchase from the weaver, I give order. So ये मेरा border का design में is similar type का, थोड़ा सा I like little temple concept. So ये सब weaving में it takes time. So maybe late, but I keep showing whenever whatever gets ready. We try to keep the uniqueness of the weaves because narrow border katans, see the blouse. This is also very nice shade of green, Rama green color. Dark Rama green and in dual tone. Very unique shades. And it's such gorgeous color. And this is with a silver zari. Those who are gold zari, this is a royal blue with silver zari. Superb. Silver zari is just wow. And it's not that whitish silver, it's a very nice sober silver color, not that white color silver. ये बहुत soft silver है, बहुत soft silver का border है. इसका बूटा भी बहुत fine बूटा है, round shape में लेकिन floral. और इसका border see, I don't like the flat zari border. I always ask them to do some special weaves in the border. So this is the outcome of this gorgeous narrow border katan. And lastly, the two beautiful saris hanging. These are dual tone pure Dupian Tussar Banarasi, jal weave with Meena, orange with Rani. Border will be magenta with the Meena. Pure Dupian Tussar Banarasi jal weave, and this is the pallu. Blouse piece comes in two-tone in a very beautiful shade. This is the blouse piece. And the sari price Jal Weave Dupion is 19,900. The other one is a dual tone pink color, magenta. Again Jal with Meena. Body में जाल है, मीना है, डुअल टोन, इसमें एक सेल्फ स्ट्राइप वीविंग है. इसका एक खूबिया है, बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है पहनने में. 19,900. Also comes with this color blouse piece, purple blouse piece. It's not that the dark, sorry, it's opposite side. This is the blouse piece. Magenta type purple. 19,900, and see the richness of the achal. Nothing to say. I've shown these kind of sarees multiple times. Fresh colors keep coming and get sold out very soon also. Always these Royal Banarasis are evergreen and it will remain evergreen. Thank you so much for watching.